Jug. Let me link you back later and we will further discuss this. Alright? Just give me some time. What?
Where are you, Michelle? And who are you talking to on the phone?
None of your business, Marcus. And for the love of God, stop with all these questions.
I have to keep tabs on you, Michelle. Just in case you do something stupid to jeopardize our chance of getting back our daughter.
Or daughter. Okay, Marcus. I was out with a friend.
The lawyer boyfriend. I told you already, Michelle. I don't want him into our personal affairs. I've warned you about it already. And I'm not going to tell you again. Don't let me escalate this and take action for disobeying me so many times.
Marcus, I don't have the strength right now. I don't.
I wonder why. What kind of mother are you, Michelle? You're just up and about, doing God knows what. You see all this seeking attention, Michelle, it has to stop. You're not a child, Michelle, you're a mother. Act like a mother. Did you get any more videos or pictures of Tiffany from the kidnappers? Michelle, you heard my question? Michelle!
No.
Did you get any more?
No. I mean, yes. Yes.
What? When? Video or picture?
Pictures, videos. Me get to them.
Michelle, was it proof of life you got? Please tell me it was proof of life.
Yes.
Let me see them, Michelle. Michelle, you got these 3 days ago? And I'm just seeing it?
Why are you shouting, Marcus?
What do you mean why I'm shouting, Michelle? Why would you have something like this? Who else know you get it?
I sent it to Carlton.
You sent it to Carlton. So Carlton will pay the $12 million?
I didn't say that, Marcus.
So how Carlton see it before me? Because he's biological. What?
Stop. to me, Carlton. Marcus. I got the videos. I didn't know what to do. I panic and I just sent it to him, you know.
Carlton. Panic. So, what I see right here, so, is that the biological father is taking precedence over the person who has been in her life for 18 years, committed, loving her despite all her challenges. And you send it to Carlton before me? Alright, Michelle. Let's see what's happening here. Let Carlton pay it. Let him pay it. I'm done. Handle it.
Marcus.